Hi guys, welcome to ICM TV. ICM TV in collaboration with ICM Software House is bringing many Oracle training courses for you free of cost. Please subscribe to ICM TV channel and don't forget to press ring icon so that you will be notified about all upcoming training videos, which include Oracle technical courses and Oracle functional courses. In Oracle technical courses, we are bringing two main different technologies, which is Oracle e-business and Oracle Fusion applications. In Oracle e-business and Fusion applications, we will give you trainings for DBA track as well as development tracks. In the DBA, we will give you core DBA as well as apps DBA and Fusion DBA. In the developer track, we will give you training on all the development technologies, which includes SQL, PLSQL, Java, Form Builder, Report Builder, OAF, ADF, Discover and Business Intelligence. In the functional side, we'll give you training for Oracle Financial, Human Resource, Supply Chain, Project Management and Manufacturing over the Oracle e-business as well as Oracle Fusion application. ICM Software House is a multinational software company which is specialized in ERP solutions. So ICM Software House mainly provides the ERP solution and ERP services on different ERP solutions like Oracle, Microsoft and SAP. So mainly ICM Software House, our strength is in Oracle solutions. In Oracle solutions, we provide all different types of solutions covering many different type of services, which includes Oracle licensing, Oracle implementation, consultancy, support, training, system audits and gap analysis. In the support, we provide on-site as well as offshore support. We provide 24/7 support, which will be related to the technical or the functional areas. We make the SLA based on the customer need and the budget.
Hello and welcome to ICM TV. This training video is sponsored by ICM TV. My name is Fatima Khalid and I am your instructor of today's training. I am working in Oracle from last 2 years. I am working 2 e-business projects in 2 years. I have functional knowledge in supply chain management and human resource management. I work in different companies in Pakistan. So today I am going to teach you about Oracle Supply Chain Management Purchasing. Supply chain management is the management of the flows of goods and services. Supply chain management includes Oracle supply chain modules, business processes, application, navigation, integrations. Oracle supply chain management modules are procurement management and material management. Procurement management is one of the management where goods and services are acquired from a different organizations or firm. Procurement management also includes Oracle purchasing and Oracle I-procurement. Material management is basically a core of supply chain management functions. It also includes supply chain planning and supply chain capabilities. Oracle e-business introduction. Although major modules covered in Oracle supply chain management, Oracle supply chain management is basically a group of modules having GL in which basic accounting informations. We have other modules in GL called sub-ledger like cash management, inventory, assets, receivables, payables, order management and purchasing. Supply chain management business processes. There are 2 types of major business processes which are covered by following modules of Oracle for supply chain. The first one is procure to pay process. Procure to pay process including Oracle purchasing and Oracle I-procurement. The second one is inventory process. Inventory process includes Oracle inventory. Supply chain management activities includes procure to pay process, purchase requisition, RFQ and quotations, suppliers, purchase orders. Here is the whole process of procure to pay process. The first one is analysis. Analysis includes reporting and suppliers performance. The second one is sourcing. Sourcing includes suppliers management, RFQs, quotations, catalog content management. The third one is ordering. And the last one is ordering, requisitions, purchase orders and receiving invoice payments. Procure to pay process includes demand from project. Demand from project includes firstly the purchase requisition, then request for RFQs. Supplier as a source of to send the quotations. Quotations are moved to the purchase order and purchase order are moved to receive. Receive are moved to enter the data and then pay. RFQs and quotations. Imported requisitions are requisition pools and the manual send the RFQ and RFQ for quotations. Purchase requisitions, request for RFQ, quotations, purchase order, receipt, returns, payments are all under the suppliers. Here is the whole process of purchase order. Shipment. Receiving. They receive the data from supplier through shipment. Data is, firstly the data is inspect and then transfer to deliver. They deliver the data to the inventory. Oracle purchasing integrations includes Oracle self-service purchasing, Oracle inventory, Oracle human resources, Oracle project accounting, Oracle payables, Oracle journal ledger, Oracle assets and Oracle cost management. For further training, subscribe our YouTube channel as well. Follow us on Facebook page ICM Software House Group Free Online Trainings, LinkedIn page ICM Software House Group Free Online Trainings, Twitter ICM Software House, and subscribe our YouTube. So here I am going to present the setups of purchasing. Before starting this setup, I will go to assign the responsibility. Firstly, I will assign purchasing super user, values, profile, operating unit as a profile, find. I will enter the default operating unit and operating unit values, AUR, OU and AUR, OU. Then I create employee. First one, I will go to the navigator, enter system administrator, HRM manager, people, enter and maintain. Firstly, I will change the date 1st Jan 2010, new. I will enter Miss as a title, Fakia as a name, family Khan, action, create employment. I will enter date of birth of Fakia. So here you can enter the basic information of employee. Then I am going to additional information. I will enter nationality as German. So then I am going to move to the assignment. Organization, I will choose organization, administration. I will enter job title, marketing head. I will change the job. Application developer position, I will grading 1.2. ICM Saudi payroll as a payroll, and the status is active. And her supervisor is Abdur Rahman. So I will go to the salary. Here is the salary details. I will enter the date 1st Jan 2020, and the salary is 15,000 monthly. Apply and save this process. Close this form. Then I will go to the jobs description. Find application developer. Okay. Close this form. I will go to the position description, new. I am going to enter the date effective name 10005. Organization as an administration, job as a application developer, and the status is active. So here you can also change the date effective name. I am also changing the date effective name. I will enter 10006. Organization as a administration, job as a project manager, and the status is active. Close this form. Save process before close this form. Then I already enter in people, create and maintain, and here I am going to change her job, project manager, position 10006, grade 1.2. Close this form. Then I am going to create financial option. I will go to the navigator, payables manager, options, financial options. I will go to human resource, and the financial option is already exist. Purchasing option. I will go to the navigator, purchasing super user setups. Purchasing. Sorry, I will go to organization. Or purchasing options. So here you can see that the purchasing option form. Firstly, I will enter the accounts. I will change the manual to automatic. So there is a error in purchasing option. I will go again and manual to automatic. Again, they are showing error. I will assign expense AP accrual account. I will select company as 102, department 000, project 000, and I will select account I will select AP accrual account. I will select accrued expenses. So in accrued account there are so many types. I select accrued utility bills. create. I will select and create. Now save this process and close this form. Now you can see there is no error in purchasing option. I save this process. I will also change match approval level 3 ways. And again save. Now close this form. Now I will enter receiving option. I will go to the navigator purchasing super user, organization and receiving option. So here you can enter inventory organization. Before going to receiving option, I will go to the navigator inventory setups, organization assess. So here is already one organization is entered. I will already add one more, purchasing. Now go to the receiving options form. So here you can enter, I can enter inventory organizations and then go. The form is open of receiving option. I will enter receipt date early, receipt days late. Then I will go to enter account. I will select company 102, department 000, project 000, and the accounts I selected is material cost. Create. I will select it and create it. Now I will also enter clearing account. Save this process. Close this form. Now we'll go to the position hierarchy. The position hierarchy form is not open, so I will go to the system administrator people. I will enter, firstly I will assign the values of responsibility of purchasing. I will enter responsibility purchasing super user and then enter profile. I will enter the values of HR. Close this form. Now I will go to again setups, personnel, position hierarchy. So here you can see the form is open now. I will enter name as ICM PO approval hierarchy. Before doing some work, firstly save the process. I will enter number as 1. There are so many positions in positions hierarchy, so I selected 10001 as Abadur Rahman. So I entered subordinates like 10006 as Fakia Khan. Close this form. Now I go to the navigator, system administrator, co-current, user, define. I will enter a bad. Firstly, I will click F11 and then enter a bad. Person Abadur Rahman. I will enter name again Fakia. Entered password. So here I can assign the responsibilities of responsibility to the user Fakia Khan. I will assign responsibilities system administrator, application developer, purchasing super user, inventory. So here you can assign the responsibility whatever you need is. Save this process and close this, and I will again enter a bad responsibility purchasing super user, inventory, journal ledger, super user, payables, management, Saudi HRMS manager, functional administrator. Save this form and close this form also. Thank you.